Yeah, there we go.
All right.
All right, so welcome to Poul's Kitchen. We're with Amy. We got Alex with us, and today we're going to be doing
Hello.
the McRib. Instead of the McRib, this is the PK rib, the Poul's Kitchen rib. It's made out of pork, ground pork, onion, and pickle on a nice bun, and Amy is about to get stuffed. So stay tuned, and here we go. Close. Good morning, welcome to Poul's Kitchen, and I want to share a little experience I had this week. Amy and I went to McDonald's for the new McRib, supposed re-release, and it tasted great, it tasted fantastic, but there's one problem. It was great that McDonald's reduced the price, which was the original issue they had before because it was too expensive and nobody wanted to pay it. Fair enough. But the problem was the answer they had to that, and that was they reduced the price. It looked a little smaller than even the quarter pounder patty. And I don't know about Amy, but I can pretty much be full for lunch getting a quarter pounder or a Big Mac. It's not, if you're starving, you're not going to be full, but if you're, just reasonable, it's good enough. The McRib was not. I could probably have 3 of them and still be hungry. To me, that was a ripoff. It just wasn't acceptable. Amy would probably agree with me, right?
Yeah.
It's not good. And you know what? Making McRib is easy. And that's what Amy and I are going to do. Now, they use a little bit of salt. They use a little bit of sugar. And we're going to right now, before we return, we're going to make the patty. And then we're going to stick it in the freezer and have it all firmed up, set. And by the time we're ready to make this is going to be great. So let's get started. By the way, if you do watch this, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, please. Because, I like to be able to get as much people out there to start watching our videos and, maybe get something out of it. I don't know about you, but Amy, how do you feel about $30 per person to be pleased?
No.
That's a little bit ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, it absolutely is. It's more than ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. So first, we're just going to put some pepper in. We do have black pepper somewhere, so I just don't want to look for it. Pepper's pepper. I'm not looking for appearance. When we're done this, we're ready to serve it. It's all going to be coated with barbecue sauce. And then we're going to use some garlic powder, sorry. And we're just going to pour this in here. And that's basically all that's in here. My favorite weapon or utensil of the youth. Kids will never know how lucky they are right now. Talk back to mom and see what happens. So I'm just going to break this down here, and I'm not a big fan of using my hands, but you know what, I think I'm going to have to. Some people sit and say that you should use 20% fat when you're using this. I don't mind using extra lean because, to be at all honest with you, I don't know what the difference is. I really don't. Yes, the fat will taste a little better, and it will, but you gotta look at your heart. You can't be sitting there doing stupid stuff like just eating a lot of fat, because you're going to pay the price for it later. Okay, you know what? and you will pay the price later. And you know what I mean? You don't want to be doing that. Because you're only young now, then later on you get a heart attack. Like, nobody wants that. So, start thinking now. Start reducing your salt. Start reducing your salt. Start reducing the fat content that you put in. It'll pay wonders. Like, Amy's been doing that for the last 12 months to 2 years now. And if you could see before and after on her, you'd be amazed. Because Amy looks wonderful. Like, if you're with her every day, you may not necessarily see the difference so quick because, well, I mean, you're with her every day, so you wouldn't see it. But if you haven't seen her in a while, then you probably really notice the difference on her because Amy looks wonderful. And that's purely because Amy doesn't eat fat, Amy doesn't eat crap, and she's exercising and she looks great. And how do you feel, Amy?
Good.
I mean, how's that look?
Good.
I mean, it's a thick patty. It's twice the size of what you get from McDonald's. I mean, if you watch your sales, I sound like my mother right now. Like, you can find this on sale and get this for a really good price. And you know what?
Yeah, we got at Walmart for $8 something for a big thing of it.
Yeah, and $8 for a big thing of it, and you'll at least get four. You should be able to get 3 or 4 patties,
if not more.
If not more, out of one. I'm using 2 packs. I'm not going to try to lie, and I'm making them a little bit thicker because I'm just making them for one meal. Between a buddy of ours, Amy and I, and Amy could probably start down 4 or 5.
No.
Now, to those of you who don't understand why I make the comments I do with Amy, I love my wife very much. I'm a jokester, I'm a prankster, and if you know us, then you'll know that's the truth. And I'll say a lot of things to Amy, but honestly, she's one of the hardest working women you're ever going to meet. She really is. Now, while I'm at this and I'm thinking about it, when you're buying this, you want to select a really nice bun. Now, I'm not talking like a hamburger bun. Well, my hands are a little dirty right now, Amy.
You want a Kaiser bun. These.
Something bigger, like a sub bun, Kaiser bun.
These are sausage buns, but they can be used for McRibs.
Welcome back. So we've got our patties formed right here, and that's our McRib patty. It's it's been thawed a little bit because it's been in the freezer. So I'm going to try to cook 2 at a time because I got a very hungry Dutchie that's absolutely foaming at the mouth right now because she's hungry.
Yeah, true.
And she's going to beat me to death if I don't serve her food soon. So this is a really fast, easy process. So what we're going to do here, Alex is basically showing you what the patty looks like. We're just going to fry this. We're going to cook this out really well. And then when this is done, we're going to come back and we're going to plate it. Simple as that. So we'll be back. All right, so.
Oh, wait, I didn't record yet.
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Just have to cut this part out.
Okay, so we're back, and now I got a bucket, or a bowl, if you want to say it, and we're pretty much set. We're ready to go. So I got some barbecue sauce here, and I'm just gonna pour it all over. And I'm gonna grab a spoon because unfortunately someone's got my I spread it all out. We'll blame Chef Amy on that. And see how this is covered in barbecue sauce. So yeah, you're gonna basically be burning through a lot of barbecue sauce. But that's alright. That's what the McRibs are. So, we're going to take this here and then we're going to start spreading some onions.
It already looks really good.
It does.
And I would think that this would be a lot better than McDonald's.
Absolutely. It's thicker. And it's going to give you more bang for your dollar. And there you go. There is the PK Poul's Kitchen Rib. What do you think?
I think it looks really good.
All right, so let's go over here. Let's ask old Dutchie what she thinks.
That looks really good. Yummy.
All right, so guys, hit the like, share, subscribe button. Forgive the mess, it was my birthday. It's a little messy, we're cleaning up. Amy's slacking, we'll have to get at her for that, but hey, she does good most of the time. So thank you for coming to Poul's Kitchen. Have a great day. Hit share, like, subscribe. And remember, if Amy ain't working hard enough, then let her know. Bye.